Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Windows is up to date and the News and Interests widget is enabled. Once done, right-click the taskbar and choose News and Interests, then select Show Icon or Show Icon and Text so the button appears. Click that taskbar icon to open the Widgets panel. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account for syncing. This step makes the widget panel available and prepares it for personalization, which we'll do next. Now you'll customize the content so widgets serve you. Click the gear or three-dot menu on any card to adjust topics, choose sources, or remove cards you don't want. Make sure to add cards you'll use often and drag them to reorder. Pin important ones for quick access. If you want local weather or finance, specify your location or tick markets. Also sync preferences across devices by ensuring your Microsoft account sync is enabled in settings. This keeps finish by testing the widgets. Open cards, expand details, and confirm links open in your preferred browser. Make privacy adjustments in settings if you want less personalization. If a widget doesn't behave, sign out and back into your Microsoft account or toggle the taskbar News and Interests setting off and on. If the icon is missing, update Windows and display drivers. As a final fix, restart File Explorer from Task Manager. This often restores the widget panel quickly and cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.